Using Claude on a large code base, you have probably noticed how quickly token usage adds up. Meet Grafify. It analyzes your entire code base and builds a knowledge graph so AI assistants can understand how your project is connected. Just install it with this command and then run Grafify install in your terminal, and then you are ready to go to use it as a skill in any of your AI tools. This command to run in any project is /grafify dot. It will create a graph structure for all your project files. And here I'm running it in a simple to-do application. As you can see, there is a Grafify out folder and there's a graph.html file that is generated that we can explore. Open it in the browser and you can see all the connections of the nodes and the edges that we have. Now it is simple for the AI tool to search the dependency of each file and folder in the project. So if I select the to-do app rendering flow here, we will be able to map the whole flow starting from any one of the files to the last node. I'm going to know in more detail about a node. I will click on it and I will be able to see what are the neighbors and the impact areas of this node. And thus, the Grafify makes it easier for the AI tool to search efficiently in your code base and doesn't waste up the tokens unnecessarily. Now I can simply ask Claude to use the Grafify report in order to explain me the to-do flow. Claude will use Grafify in order to tell you the whole structure of the rendering flow of to-do and how it is works. As you can see, here is the path that it follows and it comes from the Grafify structure that was generated.